Another easy way to lower the bike if you're kind of a klutz like Peperitsky. This is another way to lower the bike without getting back on it. Lower the jiffy stand. Lower it, make sure it's lowered. Come back this way. Hold the right grip. Make sure the jiffy stand is down. Release to let the bike down. And then gently remove the jack with your foot. Make sure the jiffy stand is down. And let the bike go. That's for those klutzy guys, you know, the old klutzy guys. Thank you for watching.